A couple of years ago, I made it a goal to visit all of the 50 US states before I turned 50 years old. I love to travel and create videos, so with that being said, welcome to my travel experience. So a quick explanation about school. Most schools get a spring break, meaning that they get a full week of school off. But not BYU. We like to pride ourselves on being academically rigorous. So unfortunately, that means we only get 1 day of school off for spring break. So with that 1 day, Nicole and I decided to go visit our brother in Idaho. What the other way?
Hello, yes.
Like any day is supposed to start, we got some breakfast at a local restaurant. Why didn't you want to see us last night?
I don't know.
Why didn't you want to see us?
I was around. I'm being framed.
Being framed.
The giant cinnamon roll. Nicholas, what'd you get?
Stuffed French toast.
That's stuffed French toast? Is that what you got, Nicole?
I just got regular French toast.
And what's the difference?
But they messed up my order and they put strawberries on it too. So I got extra food.
After consuming the largest cinnamon roll of my life,
Say hello.
Hello.
we attempted to visit a waterfall located in the mountains of Idaho. But we encountered a slight obstacle.
Where do you guys want to explore?
Wow, this is pretty adventurous.
However, that wouldn't stop us from doing at least a little bit of exploring.
Pictures in the road.
Adventure awaits.
Here we go.
My shoes are gonna be wet after this.
Leave it.
Obviously, we have made a big mistake.
Where are you going, dude?
To the bathroom. So where to now, guys?
I'm winded.
See you later, guys. I'm stuck.
Do it again.
My leg. Great outdoors. The great outdoors. The great outdoors.
And this was our failed attempt of going to Mesa Falls. Now Nicholas is gonna try and come in and give some wise words of wisdom. Oh my god.
Fucking make it over there.
Can we be done? I'm ready to go.
The great outdoors.
Seeing that we couldn't get that far, we opted to explore from the sky. On our way back to Rexburg, Nicholas expressed that food was a little scarce in his apartment, meaning that Walmart was our next stop. All right, what's on the shopping list, Nicholas?
Oh, let me show you.
What's the cereal of choice? What's the cereal? Nice. Ah, yes, another good choice. That's what I get. Very good, very good. Like doing Walmart pickups, why? You don't have to choose what kind of bread you want?
Make it.
He's found the milk section.
Got that 1%.
You get 2%.
What are we getting?
Mini corn dogs. 40 tortillas.
40 each?
Yes.
Which one will he choose? He doesn't know. Are they good? They're looking good?
They got time to ripen.
They got perfect.
It was a successful trip, yes?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, great.
Got movies.
Take us to your apartment.
My crib.
My crib.
It's a pretty nice place you got here, Nicholas.
Ah, so this is the room, huh?
Nice.
This is my electric guitar.
You have an electric guitar?
Oh yeah, I didn't tell you guys.
No. When did you get it?
Like at the beginning of the semester. This is my mini amp.
What the heck is going on? You know how to play it?
No, my Buddha
A little bit.
plays the song.
Let us see. Because why do you have so many empty boxes of...
Because I like them.
You have a whole bunch of empty boxes of Walmart brand Pop-Tarts. Why?
They're good.
Oh my gosh.
That's all I know.
Oh, very nice. Keep going.
It's Mario.
After we got the snacks refilled, Nicholas gave us a little tour of his campus.
Yes. Hello. Man Wiring Center.
The what? The man wearing center. Okay.
What's wrong with these bathrooms?
They're pretty big. Got to go see it.
Do you spend a lot of time over here, Nicholas?
Oh. Nope. Sometimes, but no.
What do you like about BYU Idaho?
It's really nice.
That's it?
Yes. There's a little market. No. Oh, this is the other market. Oh, here's the bookstore.
Oh, okay. 4 minutes.
Yeah, that's about it. This is the engineering section. Got some sheet metal. Pretty good. It's a cake.
Someone pooped on the floor.
Oh no. We're going up the stairs next. Food is upstairs. Rattles. Make a connection. Find your wife.
What's this building?
The eye center.
The eye center.
Yes, around the chair down.
So this is where they do the grocery.
It's the Heart Building. Another room back there.
Nice.
Pretty good.
It's pretty good. Do you come here often?
Once a week. Oh, no.
You can get fined for texting in the crosswalk. Wow!
This is the Austin building. It's the engineering building. This is $1 million hallway.
Why is it $1 million hallway?
Because like every equipment is like at least $5,000. This is the manufacturing area.
Now, something about college is that it isn't always fun, because Nicholas had to take a physics exam. So, in the meantime, I flew my drone around our hotel while we waited. Hello, yes, late update. This is our hotel room. We live in Motel 6. Isn't that right, Nicole?
Yes.
Nicole paid for the entirety of it, and she's not even charging me. Isn't that great?
I did not say that.
Oh, it looks like we have a miscommunication. The storm is clearing away. As the evening approached,
Get in the car.
we went to worship some pizza at Righteous Slice. We made it to Righteous Slice. We parked on the wrong side of the building. What up?
Hand toss pizza, brother.
Do you come here a lot? It's my first time.
Oh, okay.
What's the review of the place so far, Nicholas? How's the venue?
They also sell burgers and shakes up here, up on the upper level.
What? All right, pizza number 1 has arrived. It's called the Rona, or what? The Ronnie? The Roni. Pepperoni, Roni Barney. And the second pizza has arrived. This one's called the what? Margie Dargie?
Margarita.
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 Wasting away again, a margarita.
Honestly, it was pretty holy. What was the the official review of what's the place called? Righteous Slice. All right, Nicholas, you go first.
It was good.
That's it. Give me 1 out of 10.
9.5 out of 10.
Oh, pretty good, Nicole.
So the crust was my favorite part. I'm gonna give it 4 stars.
Wait, what?
Yeah, the pepperoni was good. I'll give it 8 out of 10. Now, at this time, March Madness was in full swing, so we watched our school play in one of the common areas on Nicholas's campus.
What are we doing now, Nicholas?
Not at all.
We're watching the game.
We're watching the game. We're watching the game. Ladies and gentlemen, we tried, but we did not win.
And they let us down. So, we finished our long day off with some mini golfing.
Well, they figure out the car. Look at how much it's snowing. Wow.
Oh, the cap's on. That's why you can't see.
We fixed it!
We're going bowling.
I'm the only one that's actually glowing. Obviously, I did pretty well. There's the end right there. Oh! What have you done? Oh, thank you. Thank you. I really appreciate it. See how Nicole does. Nicole's ball is easiest to follow. Did exactly what I did. Hey, go again. Go again. Like. Oh my gosh. Ah, I forgot to hit record, but he shot it straight to the back wall.
Go this way. Oh!
Ah, yes, perfect. Oh, good job, good job. Yay, the pirate boy, all the way back there. We're going through his legs once again. I missed. Oh! Oh, Nicole's win. Oh! Just another day in the life. I can't even hit the hole. Nice. All right, the theme seems to be Pirate Boy. Here we go again. Oh my. Nicholas is turning. I'm in a very dangerous spot. Oh, he went right over the ball. Oh, there he goes. He's trying to do geometry. Hey! A strong putt. Launch it. Oh! You sabotage. All right, here goes Nicole's. Gonna launch it straight into my camera. Oh! Goodbye. Nicholas. Nicholas! What are you doing? Oh no. It's the exact same thing.
Hey.
Hey! 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 Back on the wrong course.
Back. There we go.
He's on the other course. Oh my god. Oh. Oh.
Dang it.
Oh, what?
Oh, the master putt. Oh. Oh. The last hole, number 9. Wingo.
There we go.
Nice.
Finally mastered.
You can't get it in. Hey. Oh, you almost hit the other ball.
Yay.
Who won? Did we even keep score?
No.
Okay. And that's it. We went inside with no snow on the ground. Now we come outside, another snow on the ground. It only took us 20 minutes. So long, fat cats. All right, the Rexburg, good night. Y'all can kiss my butt.
The Rexburg.
Okay.
Clearly we're out of ideas. Now, like I had mentioned before, we only get 1 day of spring break, and so since we had such a short break, Nicole and I would be leaving today.
Good morning, Nicholas.
Hello, it is good morning.
We're now going to go do some Rexburg sightseeing.
So before we left, we checked out the temple in Rexburg before heading off to church with Nicholas.
So cinematic. Isn't that right?
That's when the colors started to change.
We're off to our final activity. The good old church, isn't it? Right, nigglers, we're going to do church. And then we have to say goodbye. Oh no.
Oh no, they're ready for that.
And once church was over, it was time for us to part ways.
What the heck is wrong with my hair?
Okay, this is the final goodbye.
I was actually pleasantly surprised with our Idaho trip. I enjoyed the area that we stayed in and had a lot of fun with my siblings.
Oh, goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Oh no.
Next time I visit will hopefully be longer than just a weekend.